Okay, the snow machine has finally been completely reassembled. And we are doing a test run. Snow time. It's making snow! Oh, I'm so happy. You know how hard I worked on this baby? Snow!